Are we live? We are live. Microphone check. Check, check. 1, 2, 1, 2. Man, I'm a little bit late today. Had some camera difficulties. My main camera wouldn't turn on. So I had to get back there. I had to take it down and to play with it. Got it to work. But then it was all crooked, so I had to spend some time trying to get it straight again. I think it's alright now though. Now I gotta set up all my windows before we get started. I forget. I don't know if I change these ad settings. I don't even know what my thing's at right now. I gotta spend some time with my stream. There's some things I gotta fix, man. One of these days. One of these days. Oh, no condom Chris in the house. What's happening, man? This is the last level? Nah, there's a lot of levels to go. I mean, they didn't rate the bi-weekly. I think if the bi-weekly was rated, I'd be like 2100. Skip Pharaoh, what's happening, man? Hold on, give me a second. I'm still messing with my stream thing. Man, maybe I never turned on ads. We'll see. We'll see. Pat's Hello World Low Road Sim Racing. What's happening? Welcome to the party. Hold on, man. The party ain't started just yet. The party is still setting up right now. I really have to watch some YouTube videos on how Twitch ads work. That's what I gotta do. Because I got no idea what I'm doing right now. I wish I didn't have to run any ads, but that's not how the world works, man. Anyways, whatever. Hopefully it's good. What else do I need to do? All right. What's poppin', man? Y'all ready to start the party? Oh, dang. BetSim's already ready to go. Don't defense, ready to race. LeetCode in the house. What's happening, LeetCode? Thank you very much for the raid, BetSim. Among Us from YouTube. What's happening? Today I'm going to try and check my YouTube chat a lot more frequently. How you doing, BetSimp? How's the stream? Bi-weekly canceled. Yeah. 2800 maintained. Oh, snap. Wait, did you do like really bad on the bi-weekly? Or maybe you just quit because the servers were giving issues? Would have lost 6 rating. Dang. What would you have done if you had lost 6 whole ratings, man? Ariel Paris. How you doing? What's happening? Gims, what's poppin'? Either you run ads every like 30 minutes so people don't get pre-rolls when first joining, or people get pre-rolls. Yeah. So I'm trying to do the first part. Run ads every... Is it every 30 minutes or something? Like a 1 minute, 30-second ad because everyone says that's the best way to go for like having new people come into the stream, because nobody wants to watch pre-rolls. Strike on, bro. What's happening? You'd be at 27.98. Why is that rating disturbing? Asia C Mac in the house. Hello, Asia. What's poppin'? Right, like right now I just set the ads to, I think, having a pre-roll thing. Not pre-roll, the 30 minutes thing. AKSR41. What's happening? Found some crunchy. Yeah, I've been seeing them in like the bodegas around here. JCAS19. What's happening? What is that face for, man? What are you making that face for? Jeez. What's popping, man? Personally, I like pre-rolls, as once you get in, you won't get interrupted, but I also don't get 8 ads in a row as pre-roll. Yeah, I think I prefer pre-roll, but I'm gonna give like the other thing a try, see how it works. All the mega streamers don't have pre-rolls. Maybe that's for a reason, you know. Came back and heard ads. Hey man, go blame Twitch for that. It ain't my fault. You hit 2065. That's right. Let's see how long I'll last. Anyways, let me show you what I'm talking about, man. Money-wise, running them 30 minutes is better though. Yeah, instead of 1 penny a month, I make like 2 pennies. I am not doing this to get more ad money, that's for sure. I'm just doing this to have people like watch, maybe, instead of running away when they see the ads. Just a little bit of changes, man. Anyways, here we at 2065, my highest rating ever on any account, even my fake account. And the upwards trajectory continues. That's what I like to see. We were almost the same rating last month. You went too far in a month. Well, AKSR, man, I've fallen down. Like, I was in the new millennium, and then I fell back into the 1990s or in the 1900s, and I've been like, so I think like the boost up isn't because of, it's just like RNG, I guess, you know. Stonks go up, yeah. My shit's looking like the S&P 500 if they close the stock market for like multiple years at a time, every few years or something. Anyways, I'm ready to do the daily problem, man. Dang, I forgot to do yesterday's problem. Now I'll never get the dang month badge or whatever. Oh, Type Racer, I forgot. Thank you, Don't Defense, for reminding me. Who's here for Type Racer? No Condom Chris, hopefully. Pat's Hello World. Asia C Mac. We got any other fast typers? Strike on, bro. Hopefully you're here. Can you time travel? I think it's a waste of a coin, man. I'd rather have a t-shirt, another t-shirt, or a keychain or hat instead of like a badge. All right, Type Racer, here we go. First race is a warm-up. Second race, championship round. Everybody knows that. Man, I said I'm not gonna ignore YouTube, and I've already started to forget YouTube exists. My bad. Wait, what am I looking for? I'm looking for Discord. First race, warm-up. Second race, championship. Dang, and we're gonna get an ad break right now? What the hell, man? Maybe I never turned on ads yesterday or something. Enrosis in the house. No ad? Well, ad break end? I guess somebody told me like not everybody gets the ads. Anyways, let's warm up for the championship round. Man, I'm not even logged in. What the hell? Man, I think I should sign up for Type Racer Premium one of these days. I feel like we use it so much. Ariel Paris, the Discord is a wall garden. You gotta pay to get in. You gotta pay channel points to get in, which is basically real money around these parts. It costs 6,000 channel points to get into my Discord. Both at all-time high. I like to hear that. Oh man, Brett, what's happened? Hold on. We got a Type Racer to run, then I'll read chat. No joking around. Jeez, 97, 144, low road sim racing, spoopty 112, don't defense 111, six pack sexy, aka no condom Chris 107, Tomo Mammy, aka Mammy Tomo 107, dang, tied. And then everyone else, Pat 84, Pat, I gotta see triple digits from you in a couple months or something. Smart Coder with the 80. Smart Coder, you gotta buy that new keyboard again. Get back in those triple digits. Asia, 74 WPMs. Asia, we need to see triple digits one of these days. Anyways. Zool999. How do I enjoy LeetCode? Man, I enjoy it a lot actually. How do I enjoy it? I think after you learn all the basics and after you get comfortable just implementing everything without thinking too much, then it just becomes like a puzzle. Rebels Coder, how are you doing? 7th place, 84 WPMs. Getting old. Man, you're getting slow, not old. Yeah, they log you out sometimes. Weird. Oh, how are you doing, man? I saw you streaming last, what was it, Monday? Thanks for the raid the other night. Now I know there's a bunch of LeetCode nerds on Twitch that I can hang with. Man, there are so many. I wouldn't even call us nerds. I don't know if that's cool. Are we nerds? I know I'm not a nerd, man. Maybe all of you guys are nerds. But yeah, maybe we are nerds. Turbo nerds. We're Type Racer nerds, maybe. Can we ban Josh? Nah, come on now. We need fast people to motivate us to go faster. Pat's Hello World. Who's hacking? You're hacking? You're gonna hack to get triple digits? Don't have a chance against these guys, man. You never know. Like, I'm not that fast. I rarely hit triple digits, but I've been on the board a lot of times. But that's also because I participate in every single race, man. It's kind of like a numbers game. But every now and then, all you have to do is get over 100, and everyone else has to have their worst race ever. Anyways, I'm a nerd. Nerds for sure. Dang, everyone's a nerd. I'm a Chad? Nah, I'm not a Chad. Raxo Sabe in the house. It's good to nerd. A man 1117. Hello, can you help me with a question? What is the question? Welcome to the party. Give me a keyboard and I'll get the training. Man, Asia C Mac. You can get a keyboard with only 1,000,000 channel points. You gotta bet some more though to probably win that money. All right. Nulligor, how you doing? Gonna lurk? Oh, that's cool, man. Thanks for lurking. Low road racing is still slower than Pixel Pusher, and Pixel Pusher is kind of slower than Zapak. Zapak is our fastest person ever to come here with 168 WPMs. What is this? Man, I had to check your link right there, man. It was giving me some warnings. What's the 500,000 channel points one? The 500,000 channel points one is... Man, I'll send you this picture right here. Right here, right now. This is a photograph I took myself, and I printed it, blew it up, and that's all it is. If you want to see more like that, you can check out my Instagram. The heck you doing, Robodon? What you talking about, man? Wait, what? Punctuation and caps are my weakness? Yeah, I think mine too. All right, let me see what you're talking about. Dang, time exceeded, so... Man, I can't help you out here. I can't even do this problem myself. So I can't. I'm sorry. I don't think... I was trying to do this one on Monday, and I never got around to finishing it. But maybe someone in chat can help you out. I mean, maybe I can spot something. Actually, I don't even want to see... You already have bitmask there. I don't even want to see the problem. Was this the daily? No, this was a problem I was trying to do on Monday that I ran out of time with. The guy with 0.5 mil will probably hold for the 1 mil. Yeah, that's Q. Walked in showing the frame. Yeah, Robodom, you can buy that with 500k. All right, here we go. Let me do the daily real quick. Daily problem. Dang, why does... All right, man. My YouTube chat doesn't update. I have to like hit refresh every time. Why is YouTube tripping, man? Anyways, daily problem. It's taken a long time to get here. How much real money would it cost? Man, I don't know yet. But it costs me over $100 to get that with the frame and everything. So I don't know how much I'd actually sell it for. All right, let's read this problem. Maximum nesting depth of the parentheses. A string is a valid parentheses string. Denotes VPS. Or denoted VPS if it meets one of the following. It is an empty string or a single character not equal to open parentheses or close parentheses. It can be written as AB, A concatenated with B, where A and B are valid parentheses string, or it can be written as A enclosed in parentheses, where A is a valid parentheses string. We can similarly define the nested depth S of any valid parentheses string S as follows. The depth of an empty string is 0. The depth of a single character not equal to open parentheses or close parentheses is 0. Depth of A plus B is the maximum of depth A and B, or B, where A and B are both VPSs. And the depth of this is 1 plus the depth of A. All right, I see what they're saying. So I guess we should just count balance, open and close, and then record the maximum balance. So anytime we hit an open parentheses, Give you 101. That's not $101. I don't think I would sell that for $101. I'll be losing money, man. The picture frame alone was like 40 something bucks, maybe 50 bucks. I don't remember. The print was like 70. Anyways, I don't I don't think I'm trying to sell it right now. RIP shipping. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. If I were to actually sell these, they would have to be 200 plus. Otherwise, or maybe I'd sell them without the framing for like 100 bucks or something. But the frame is heavy shipping, man. All right, where are we at? Let me just verify that what I think is the answer is actually the answer. So here we go 1, 2, -1, so back to 1. And then we go 2, 3, and then blah, 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 3. And then this one is 1, 0, 1, 2, 1, 0, and then 1, 2, 3. Easy work. All right, here we go. I'm just going to iterate over S if the character is everything like is everything going to be a valid string? All right, so if balance minus minus and then ant is max. All right, easy daily, I think. Nothing too interesting there, at least for LeetCode veterans. Maybe if you're just starting LeetCode, that problem looks a little bit tricky. But don't you worry, it ain't that bad. RoboChad back again. I'll give you 200 bucks for a square inch of my hair. Man, let me see. Square inch. Man, I don't know. Maybe should I start selling my hair for 200 bucks? I'd take it, man. Slight optimization. You can move the max into the if branch. I guess anytime we increment, yeah. Right? Makes sense to me. Super slight optimization. That's the type of optimizations you gotta make when you're working for HFT, man. Those aren't the type of optimizations I make, though. Well, maybe. I don't even code that much anymore. Bath water sale time. Dang. Bet Simp, you trying to buy some bath water? I don't even take baths, but I'd take one if you're trying to buy it. Not you? Oh, Ariel Paris. Thank you very much for the sub. Here we go. About to add you onto the board for Algo Junkies in 2024. Let me do that real quick. Where are we at? Right here. Look at that. The latest Algo Junkie, Ariel Paris. Thank you very much. Strike on bro might be into it. Man, you never know who's into it. Anyways, let the real training begin. What should we do? Should we do a bet real quick? Like can I one-shot a 1600 to 1700? Raise the difficulty, man. You're talking about we should start training from 17 to 18 or what? 2100 this weekend? It's possible, man. If I get lucky. Connor Lid in the house. What's happening? How are you doing? You forgot to uprate. Oh, snaps. Low road sim racing. What was it, 144 or something crazy? Dang. I forgot, man. Let me do that real quick. Alright, I'm gonna say 144 because I think that's what it really was. Thank you for saying that because I would have actually forgotten. Low road sim racing, back-to-back championships. Something that not many people have been able to do here, but low road sim racing has done it not once, but twice. Almost had a three-peat right here, but no one's really done a three-peat except Numbers has a three-peat. Enrosis has a four-peat. Man, Enrosis probably has the longest winning streak of all time at 4 in a row. Panda Poopums with another three-peat. Anyways, I just realized Becca lost his Q4 solve, but you retained yours. Wait, what do you mean? Oh, because of the unrated bi-weekly? Yeah, but man, Becca is knocking on the Guardian door, man. I'm sure he's gonna get it. It's only a matter of time. No Con Chris got a couple. Yeah, did we do Type Racer? Yeah, we've done the Type Racer, but there might be another one a little bit later. All right. What are we gonna do? We're gonna do a random problem from somebody says I gotta do 17. Even 17 too low? Nah, man. The other day I couldn't even solve a 17. All right, 17 to 18. Will I one shot? Not this one. I'll hit generate again. But here's a bet. Will I one shot a 17 to 1800 in 12 minutes? I'll make it 12 minutes since I'm not that good, you know. It's like a Q3 territory we're talking about here. I don't even know if I can one shot in such short time. You're around 2100 now? No, man, it's a fluke. It's a fluke, man. Hold on. Will I one shot 1700 to 1800 problem? Just, yeah. That's it. Yes or no? 2 minutes to bet. Oh man, I forgot. Wait. Cancel bet. Cancel the bet. Cancel. I forgot. I forgot to say the time. Hold on. My bad. How do I start prediction? Will I one shot 1700 to 1800 in 12 minutes? That's what I forgot to add. Yes or no? 2 minutes to decide. Demand a refund? Nah, it's no fluke if you're improving. I don't know, man. I think it's pretty fluky because Q4 I was able to like find an answer online somewhat. I wouldn't say I didn't find the exact answer, but I learned the technique and then I applied some other techniques to it to able to get Q4. So I'd say it's kind of fluky. Geeks for Geeks is fair game. Don't disappoint you, man. I'm gonna try to disappoint you at least. Dang, we got some pretty big bets. Clistar, 10,000. Low Road Sim Racing, Asia C-Mac. I hope you guys don't lose your money. Sega Sidle, SM123, Big money. Jesus. Tomo Meme, 10,000. This is a smart bet right here. BetSimp also knows how to make smart bets. No Condom Chris, a Robodom making super smart bets. Denny Spears, 99. And Aftershock, 233. Thank you very much for the follows. Are you not reading chat? Hold on. Who's reading chat? Is it one shot or within 12 minutes? It's one shot in 12 minutes, man. 12 minutes is too hard to one shot. I feel so too. I'm gonna have at least one wrong answer, yeah. Oh wait, no reading chat while I'm doing the problem, man. I'm also gonna turn on emote only chat while I'm doing the problem. So that means I'm not gonna try to look at chat, but every now and then I might glance over to see what kind of emotes are going on. Dang, $20,000. Can I join a Discord chat while I'm doing the problem? Absolutely not, man. How can you tell what racing a LeetCode problem is? Aftershock 233. What's happened? There's a sick ass website called Zero Track, and it's how I train mainly. All right, here we go. The bet is about to begin. First things first, I gotta hydrate. Strike on, bro. Thank you very much for that hydrate. Cheers. All right, let's see. Hopefully it's like a 1701 problem. And also, if I've done the problem already, I will pick a new one, like generate a new rating number. So I forgot to say that, but that's how it's gonna be. Dang, 1787. They gotta do me like that? Come on now. Come on, man. It's over. All right, here we go. Check if array pairs are divisible by k. I'm just gonna peek, see if I've solved it. Did I solve it? Have not solved it. All right, let me set the timer. And let me turn on emotes only chat, man. So here we go, here we go. Oh, come on, man. Timer starts already. 12 minutes, one shot, no mistakes. Let's see. Here we go. Given an array of integers of even length and an integer k, we want to divide the array into exactly n over 2 pairs such that the sum of each pair is divisible by k. Return true if you can find a way to do that. Otherwise, return false. Dang. I don't know how to do it immediately, but 10 to the 5th means we need like Jesus Christ. What are we gonna do, man? Is it easy? If every pair is divisible by k, that means, I know what that means, man. That means we gotta do something with mods. Jesus Christ. But I don't know how to do it yet. So I'm going to iterate over the array. I don't even know why I'm talking, man, because talking slows me down. 11 minutes. I'm nervous. I feel like I'm doing an interview. Man, how do I do that? All right, so 1 and 9. 9 mod 5 is 4. And then 1 mod 5 is 9. So you're looking for a dang something. We're looking for the mods added together equals k. All right, I think I can do this, man. Maybe I'll do I'm not reading chat, man. Oh, Jesus Christ. So then is the target k minus mod, but then maybe that, and then if how do I know that everything is paired up? How much time do I have? 8 minutes 50 seconds. How do I know? So if we find this target, then we're gonna do something. And if we don't find it, we're going to just put this thing in there. And then if we find it, we're going to decrement the target. And then if it's equal to 0, I should be using a multi-set here, but I don't have time to make those risky moves because I normally don't use a multi-set. So if this is equal to 0, I'm just going to erase the target. And then, man, we just have to return like... return that it's empty, because if everything can be paired up, then everything would have been erased. This is what I'm thinking, man. We got 7 minutes, man. That's a lot of time. Maybe I would send this right now, but I got a lot of time to double check some things, so maybe I'll do a little dry run or something. So n array, here's my mod. That looks all right. My target is this minus the mod. Wait. Hold on. Why am I doing mods? Hold on, let me start over. Man. Because then, no, yeah. They need to be divisible. No. Is that how mods work? I think so, man. Now I'm second guessing myself. All right, let me think. So 9, I verified it with 9, but what if... Yeah, I think this is all right, man. I think it's all right. All right, I hope I'm not going to embarrass myself. Let me continue, though. So... All right, if it was 5 and 5, like 5 and 10, that's 0 and that's 0. So then the target should be 0. That checks out. All right, let me see if this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. Anyways, I'm about to just send it, man. We don't have time to be checking things out here. Final answer. Ad break ends in 1 minute 30 seconds. Man. Should I send it while we're on an ad break? The hell? Look at that. I'm gonna send it anyways. Here we go. We got lots of time left. Oh man, hold on. I mean, Jesus, not even close. Nay. I feel really bad. I feel terrible right now. I think it's the nerves, man. Will I one shot in 12 minutes? No. I'm so sorry, everybody. I let y'all down. Hold on, man. Isn't this like... That's the dang... There are negative numbers? Hold on. This... Nah, it wasn't because of negative numbers. It's because this... The test case that failed didn't even have negative numbers, man. No Guardian in Leet Math, yeah. Not spending all 12 minutes for the yes. Yeah, I'm so sorry. Hold on, let me see. How do I even debug this? How do I debug it, man? Mod. Increment the mod. I need decrements. So we put 1, 2, 3, 4, 0. And then zeros get paired up. Then 6 and 4 should get paired up. 7 and 3. Anyways. I don't understand. That solution is too easy. Oh, man. Why is it all zeros, man? But the negative numbers might be an issue too. Oh, not equal. Yeah. That's also true. But I think maybe it might not even work still. Yeah, because now the negative numbers, I didn't even consider negative numbers in here. So why do I erase instead of decrementing? Because I don't know how to use a multiset that well. Lenny Bruce, thank you very much for the follow. Now the wrong answer for the negative. Yeah, definitely. So, all right. How do I deal with negatives in this case? Wait, should I look at the earnings yet, or wait? If mod less than 0, mod plus equal to k. Can I have problem link? For sure. Also, welcome to the stream. Is that how you do negative mods? What do you say? Is that all I needed, really? All right. So that was the missing piece. To deal with negative numbers, I also had a typo in my find. Yeah, unfortunate, but I think I was almost there. Just not that close. Old C programmer here. Glad I found you. Lenny Bruce, welcome to the stream. I'm glad you found this stream also. We like to do LeetCode out here. There's plenty of people in this community. Dang. Lots of other streamers who do LeetCode here too. You have to erase, find, yeah. I missed an Amazon interview because I thought you could erase by value in a multiset. Yeah, I think I kind of know how to use a multiset, but I've just been so used to doing this bootleg erase right here that for bets, I'll stick to like what I know best. Yeah, I can remove this for loop, right? Because, and then just do that part, right? Today was a good day for the non-believers. Yeah, I don't think it was the non-believers. I think it was just the smart bettors who know what was at stake. They know 1800 problem, 12 minutes, one shot, highly unlikely. Maybe because Python mods, you don't have to worry about negative. I'm going to try and remember that, man, about mods, this trick. But I think I use this, I've probably run into this trick in the past, but it's been so long since I used it, I forget it happened. I was praying for math forces? Come on now. Well, I guess this is kind of a math problem in a way. You just missed Guardian. Non-believers are something to bet against you? Nah, I've never even been close to Guardian. All right, next problem. So that was the warm-up. Not too bad, I'd say. Even though we lost the bet, I think we had the right approach immediately. We're just missing that key math knowledge to finish it off. When you had the idea for mods immediately, I was shaking though. Yeah, usually usually it's like the idea I'm kind of good at figuring out, but implementation is where I struggle sometimes. More gamble. All right. How should we just do? Should we run it back 17 to 1800, or should we bump it up, man? I don't know, man. I want to do harder problems, but it's hard to bet on hard problems. All right, let's do 1800 to 1900. Run it back. All right, let's make it more interesting. 17 to 1900. So this could be crazy, you know. We'll run back the same bet though. So hopefully people who bet yes, they know that this is unlikely to happen unless RNG is in my favor. All right, wait, let's look at how many people went broke. Dang, Robodom is rich. No Condom Chris rich. Tomo Mami, BetSimp, Mario. I can't even read Roman numerals is rich. AKSR, Strike on Bra, Spoopdy. Rich Hector, HSC. Thank you very much for the 100 bits. We gotta put Hector, give Hector his diamond once again. Thank you so much, Hector. The mysterious Hector HSC goes from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 diamonds to 11 diamonds. Crazy. And that's only for 2024. Where we at? Wait, we're about to do the bet again. Dong NGH, thank you very much for the follow. So man, Clistar, 20,000 bucks. Low Road Sim Racing, Asia C-Mac, SM, Sega Sidle, Pat's Hello World, I'm so sorry, Don't Defense, The Real Raymond Jones, Broken on the Streets. Jeez, LeetCode Smart Coder, very sorry for your loss. But we're gonna run it back one more time real quick. 1700 to 1900. This is not the number. I'm gonna hit generate. But here we go, here we go. One more time. 1700 to 1900 in 12 minutes is fine. 13 minutes, 2 minutes. All right, one more time, one more time. Will I one-shot a 1700 to a 1900 random one in 13 minutes? Place your bets. Low Road Sim Racing, what are you doing, man? You're crazy reckless. No Colin Chris, smart bet. Bet Simp, also hoping I get another math problem. Are you rolling beforehand? No, I'm going to hit generate. So I'm going to hit this button after the bets are closed and we're going to get a new number. So this is not the number, man. One more time. Let's go. Clistar, $15,000. Don't defense, lead coach. Thank you very much for your support. I will try to not let all y'all down, man. Everyone here. But all right, hopefully this number is like 1702. No mod bullshit, please. Yeah, no math. Hopefully, absolutely no math. And let me see if anybody's YouTubing out here. Nobody from YouTube. Easy yes odds. I don't know if it's easy. What are the chances that I can one shot? I don't know, man. It's tough. Dang, Robo Dom putting up all his winnings on yes now. Robo Dom is crazy. Gambling is illegal on YouTube. Yeah, all you YouTubers out there, if you like gambling. Den's OP from YouTube in the house. Den's OP. If you want to gamble, we only gamble on Twitch. I wish there was a way to have YouTube gamble too, but so we're betting one shot. Can I do it in 13 minutes? Dang, some big bets. Lots of people are gonna go broke. If you win, it's so happy. If you lose, I have points, still happy. Nice hedge. All right, here we go. Here we go. Some serious betting going on. Yeah, Brett. Brett never likes to bet, man. Do you gamble in real life? I imagine you don't. I imagine Brett is like index funds kind of guy. Never buys individual stocks. What else? Maybe not really a gambler. I see. Anyways, here we go. Dang, 1813. Oh. Let's see. Still winnable. Uh-oh, there's no 1813. Oh man, but there is a sliding puzzle. Jesus. There's no 1813, so we should re-roll. Yeah, because 1815 ain't 1813. Reroll. Rerolls are illegal. All right, let me see. Who's saying reroll? We got a yes and a no, both saying reroll. Do a poll. No reroll. All right. I'm not gonna reroll because when I'm training and I roll the dice and there's no number, I go up to the next number. So this bet is like, it's not surprising that I'd choose 1815. So let's do it. Let's do it. Even though I think this, have I solved this? Absolutely not, man. I think I even know this problem. We're gonna be in for a bad time, man. Jesus Christ. Let me turn on emote only chat. Here we go. Sliding puzzle. Never solved it before. It's a hard problem. On a 2x3 board, there are 5 tiles labeled from 1. Oh, wait. I didn't set the timer. Timer. how long did I say? 13 minutes. I'll give myself, I'll let it run for like a couple seconds. All right, ready. Wait. On a 2x3 board, 5 tiles labeled from 1 to 5 and an empty square represented by a 0. A move consists of choosing 0 and a 4 directionally adjacent number and swapping it. The state of the board is solved if and only if the board is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0. Given the puzzle board, return the least number of moves required so that the state of the board is solved. If it is impossible for the state of the board to be solved, return -1. I'm just gonna try and backtrack it, man. Oh, snaps. But I'm not that great at backtracking. So here we go. And one-shot in a backtrack? Come on now. I know they gave me the rows and columns, but I'm gonna do this anyways. So, jeez. How do I know when to? No, I don't know if it's backtracking. Because it's 1 through 5. We start from the 0 and we just keep swapping. I guess I could just BFS the swaps. If I BFS the swaps, or no, hold on, Jesus Christ. I don't know if the backtracking will work, because how do I know when to stop? Or like how do I know when I've seen a certain board state, you know? I suppose I could like convert, like hash it somehow, just transform it to a string. Oh, this is not looking good, guys. And then jeez, we got 10 minutes. I gotta just type something out. I gotta type something out, man. So I don't know what to do. Swap, swap, swap. Swap, swap, swap. All right, I'm just gonna do it. I'm gonna make a hashing function, man. Wait. How do I even do that? Man, I'm gonna fail so bad. Oh, this is not even a character, man. How do you to string? I'm wasting a lot of time right now, man. Can I just, should I even convert it to an integer? Does it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Anyways, how much time do I have left? 8 minutes. So then how do I is this DP that I'm thinking about doing? Or backtracking? There's like almost a 0% chance I get this right, man. So I just want to swap my 0 with up, down, left, right directions. So this is left, this is right, this is down. And then maybe I gotta like 6 minutes. I don't know what to do. What's it called? Board? Anyways, semicolon, let me put that in there. Let me put that in there, and then I just want to go through all my 4 directions. But first, if like I guess if R equals 0 and C equals 0, return 0. And then we gotta make the key. What's the key? Make keyboard. And then like if, what's our cache? Should I just call this cache? If cache.find key. And then what am I saying, man? I gotta iterate through my directions. New R is dir0 plus R. New and then do I have to check if out of bounds? Maybe. How much time left? 4 minutes, man. So if then oh wait, I can't DP. Can I? Is it just straight up back? Like, should I just remove this cache? I don't know yet. I gotta think, but I don't have time to think. Because I'm like changing the state of the board, man. But I'm also caching it on the board, but then when it hits, uh-oh. I don't know what to do. Maybe I'll just remove this part, man. No. Because if I remove that part, dang, I don't have time to think. I don't think that cache thing is gonna work, but maybe the backtrack thing might. Dang, I think I'm gonna fail. I think I'm gonna fail, man. Alright. Jesus Christ. 2 fails in a row, man. Let me see if I can salvage it. Man, 1 minute, 1 minute. I don't think I can do it. I don't think I can do it at all. So I just swap. And then swap. Oh, man. Dang. Should I just send that? I don't have a choice. I'm gonna just have to send it, man. Anyways. Another failed bet, unfortunately. I think I panicked. Man, how do I... To string number? Can I do this? How do I convert a number? Oh, snap. Isn't it just like that? Oh, man. Hold on. Let me see if I can, like, salvage this, man. Feeling not that great about these bets. Anyways, let me read chat for a second. I disappoint everybody 2 times in a row. I'm so sorry. Not being able to run sample is crazy. Man, it's okay. Jeez, he can run the sample test? Nah, I can't run anything. It's a 1 shot. No disappointment because you didn't bet. Hold on, let me see what y'all were saying. People in chat cheating with thumbs up. I'm not even looking at the emotes. This was a rough random problem. Can't believe this. Yeah, it's BFS. Yeah, I was thinking of BFS in that stuff, man. And it's like the first one that hits a good thing. I think the DP thing, terrible idea. And then I think I just went to backtracking. And then now it's like stuck maybe in an infinite loop or something. I don't know. I think I should be able to do this problem, but maybe I panicked a bit. That felt like a real interview. Type racer. All right, give me a second. After we do the type racer, then we'll start like actual training. Could you recommend me some good books in this language? I don't know any good books because I haven't read any, because I don't really read books. Today, I just got my LeetCode water bottle. Very nice, man. I don't think your DP would wield wrong answer. I think it would be okay. I don't think so, because in the DP, I was gonna be messing with the state of the board. And if I like hit the cache, then the board is like in a like misconfigured state, you know? Just need to keep doubling up. The hell? Are you talking about the water bottle? Dang. All right. Let me actually try and solve this problem now. Now that we have some time to think. So you're saying BFS is the way to go for this problem. I'd say we should... How do I do that? Okay, I see. I think I see. So I'll iterate through to find... Wait, let me just Control Z, man, because I already did that part. Let me just erase this stuff. So I find my 0, and then I just push to the queue. I'll make a queue of PIIs. I'll push 0 R 0 C in the queue, and then I'll just run the queue while... Do I need a scene? I'm not sure yet. Let me think. Racing? Oh yeah. DP is just BFS with memoization. They put a rat inside one before they shipped it? Dang. What did you talk? First one, right? What? It would not improve the solution. I think it would never use the cache. Ebooks. Anyways, what am I doing? So I find the thing. Oh, but the whole board has to be in the correct state. How do I do that, man? Do I just create a new copy of the board every single time? I don't even know if I can do this problem, man. Not deadly signal. What? The hashing sounds good. Hold on. You can copy the board. Will it time out? I mean, it's kind of small, but... Should I just give up and look at an answer? Let me see. Well, we already knew this stuff. How do you BFS? All right, if we copy the board, then I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try to copy the board. Did I do that right? All right, here we go. Man, these bets are too hard. So so I get my coordinates and I just want to swap it with up, down, left, right if it's in bounds, and then put it in the board. But I also have to check how many steps. What are we doing? So I guess we just have to check, like, should I just make the board? So that's my answer board, and I guess once this state, then we just return steps. And then let's iterate over our directions. Oh. Can't do that? Doesn't matter. So that's a pair, and those are my RC coordinates. New R, new C, and then if out of bounds, continue. And if that's out of bounds, continue, and then what are we doing? We're just adding this to the queue, man. So new R, new C. Wait, what am I pushing? I'm pushing a pair of pair int and the new board. And then let's see if this will kind of work. I don't know. Pankaj, what's happening? We're adding this to the queue, Ultimus. Yeah, I guess so. What are they talking about here, man? Make pair. Oh, maybe that's a typo. Can you just do next permutation on this board and check every single one? Man, hold on, how do I do this dang thing right here? No. Do I have to? I don't know. Boolean Cub 3. What's happened? Are LeetCode problems rated? Yeah, there's a website that rates them on 0track. Anyways, man, I'm feeling not great about this training session right now. It's been a real struggle. So I guess shouldn't this trigger us somewhere? Isn't this like the same thing as this? But I suppose it just keeps going back and forth. So maybe I do need this scene thing. What am I doing, man? I think if I don't get this after all this junk, I'm about to look at the solution. So if we find this, or if we don't find it, we should try to do it anyways. Let me see. 2-1, is it just? No. Oh, sometimes the board can never be solved. And how am I getting it solved? There must be something super wrong. Any tips for Big G phone screen? Got one on Monday. Man, if it's on Monday, I guess there's not too much you can do, but maybe just try and study as much as possible before then. I think the phone screen should not be too crazy, but maybe just practice some problems, man. Do as many of those like LeetCode 150s, blind 75s, grind 75s type of lists, and then maybe just rest on Sunday. How to get more leak coins? You gotta do problems. Feel like you're going into coding too quickly. If you want to get the most out of your training, perhaps write out an approximate steps of what you're going to do. Feels unorganized. Yeah, I think it's because I just tried to do the bet, man, and then I had to quickly just put something on the board. But then now I'm like trying out all these weird things that don't seem to be working. I think I have an implementation issue with this problem, and I just don't know how to do it, man. Maybe I'll give up. Can I ask how long did you have your hair growing? About 11 years, maybe? Q Ultimus, how you doing? Oh wait, let me choose a new bet, man. Because I could not one-shot the problem, unfortunately. You can solve all of those problems in under 30 minutes, but you have to plan out beforehand. All problems in under 30 minutes? I don't think so, man. Am I a software dev? I am. Only here for a second, fixing a few computers today. Good luck. Books that you have read in this language, could you show me them in PDF? I don't have any books, man. All right. Should I give up on this problem, man? I don't understand. I guess I don't understand, like, everything I'm doing is incorrect here. So I'm just trying to swap it up, down, left, right. A do's my do's. Thank you very much for the follow. Anyways, I give up. I give up. Spent too much time on this thing. The nodes are the puzzle boards. And edges are if two puzzle boards can be transformed into one another with one move. The nodes are the puzzle boards. All right, so let me think. So I feel like I am transforming so this is the 0 0R 0C. That would be like right here. One. Then I swap it. If I haven't seen that node, I should. But is this new board? This seems kind of okay to me, but I don't know why it's not working. -1. All right, I'm going to just print out these boards now. Oh, wait. No. Current board. Oh, snaps. Not a great training sesh. You could be a radio announcer or DJ. Lenny Bruce, thank you very much. So we got 1, 2, 3. Look at, here it is. No, that's not it. Let me just double check that these things look right. So this is the original board. Then we got 103. That looks okay. And then the left swap would be there. Oh my god. You know why it's wrong, man? Because my dang answer board is wrong. It should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0 and not 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on, man. Get out of here. This problem sucks. Anyways, got me tripping, man. Come on, man. Another heart in the bank. Yeah, I struggle though. I had to take that. I mean, I think BFS did cross my mind while we are doing the bet, but I just wasn't sure enough, and I guess I didn't have time to like confirm it. So I just went with like the incorrect way. I went down the wrong path of trying DP. Then after I finished, I realized DP probably ain't gonna work. So I tried to do the backtracking. Then I realized backtracking didn't work. Maybe it would have, but I didn't implement it correctly. Anyways, another heart in the bank. One step closer to the BetSimp roadmap of all problem solves. Yeah. Two timing Pat. What are you talking about, man? My net worth increased 100%. Oh yeah, let me look at the bets. Jeez, I mean, no condom Chris making a lot of money today. JCast19, SM, Tomo Mami, BetSimp, Inrosis. All you people, man, making money. Clistar losing a lot of money. Robodom, low road sim racing on the streets. Fantasy, I'm so sorry. Don't defense, spoop the lead coach. I let down the coach, man. And Just G, I'm so sorry. Anyways, I think betting on one shots for 17 to 1900 problems, it's such a slim chance of me doing that, you know. But if we went down to, I think, make it 20 minutes, 20 minutes with emote only chat though, that's like a long time too. Maybe we have to like just do the bets on 15 to 17. I think 1500 to 1700 for like 6 minutes is the sweet spot. Fruit roll up, fruit by the foot, or gushers. Man, that is easy. Easy, easy, easy. Fruit roll ups, number 1. Gushers, number 2. Fruit by the foot, number 3. But all of them I would eat with zero hesitation. I wouldn't even think twice, man. I just eat them all. They're all going down, man. All right. What are we doing now? What did we just do? We just did. Let's bump it up, man. We got like an hour-ish left. Let's get into the 2Ks or something. 1900 to 2100. No bets. 1916. We're just gonna do the problem. But if I've already done this, I'll re-roll. I have not done this one. Partition array for maximum sum. Oh, type racer. My bad, my bad. Let me do the type racer first, and then we'll starting with Wolfred. Welcome to the party. How are you doing? Do y'all put it on your tongue and try to see the pattern or nah? What the hell are you talking about, Strike On, bro? Put it on your tongue? See the pattern? Let me tell you how I eat my fruit roll-ups, man. I take them out, take off all the plastics, and I just crumple it up into a ball and put it in my mouth, man. I don't play with my candy. That's crazy talk. Channel of a person who does live on the same content. What are you talking about? People who also stream LeetCode? There's a few. Check out this website. There's all the people I know of. All right. Going crazy. Who's going crazy, man? Anybody going crazy? Is it me going crazy? Let's do the type racer and then let's continue training. Let me see. YouTube. Let me refresh the chat. Nobody on YouTube. They're all out here. See, Pat's up there. Yeah, Pat has been a staple in this community for the past month plus, for the past 2 months. Pat and Real Raymond Jones, man. First race is a warm-up, second race is the championship round. Easy racing. Yeah. BetSimp is also on. Enrosis been on. Man, I'm sorry, I forget names out here. LeetCode also comes on for like 20 minutes at a time. Dang, this is a long passage. Anyways, lots of content. Yeah, who's Pat? Yeah, who's that guy, man? Only the most famous Twitch streamer of all time. Coming soon. I do longer streams sometimes. Yeah, man, I don't see that very often. Every time it's like, as soon as I get there, it's already ending. I was hoping low road sim racing. Yeah, right. Low road sim racing is always gonna be out here to defend the throne. All right, championship round coming up. No joking around. I'm trying to hit triple digits right now, but these words look kind of hard. Hit that triple digits, but man, still slow. 5th place. We got 5 triple digits up in here. SM almost hitting those triple digits. Tomo Mami, aka Mami Tomo. Smart Coder 89. Dang, 150 miles per hour for low road sim racing. We're gonna have to have some classes. Like, he's clearly heavyweight class or all like middleweight or something. Last hour of training. Let's make it count. Yeah, let's make it count, man. Simon logs in and Leet talking about, okay, who we're gonna raid. Yeah, that's every single time, man. All right, what are we doing? 150 miles per hour. Low road sim racing just hit the 3-peat. Look at that. A dang 3-peat. Something very few people have ever done in the history of type racing on this channel. it go? April 3rd. Low road sim racing, 150 miles per hour for the three-peats. Dang, look at that. Dang, there's an ad coming up. Ad break ends. Bullying him cause too fast? Nah, we don't bully people. How are you guys so fast, man? That's what I'm trying to figure out. I've gotten a lot faster since I started to stream. And like, I think before I started to stream, hitting triple digits was like a once a year accomplishment. But now I can hit triple digits like 1 out of every 3 or so. I was here doing my own training on the side while waiting for the type racer call. Tony the Tiger. Oh, let's check it out, man. Look at that. Look at that crazy upswing, man. You're on a good streak right now. From 1 out of 4, which was a fluke in the wrong direction, to 3 out of 4. Very nice elo. Dang, that's like 70 points gain right there. That means your true rating is way above dang 1500, man. Don't you worry. You've been grinding hard. I like to see that, man. If you can get your algo skills up to your typing skills, you got a chance to be #1 in the world, man. Imagine if you'd learned the knowledge. Yeah, insane speeds for sure. All right, what's next? This partition array for maximum sum problem. This is a, what is this? A 1916 rated problem. Let me link it in the chats. Twitch, YouTube. Here we go. Given an array, partition the array into contiguous subarrays of length at most k. After partitioning each subarray, each subarray has their values changed to become the maximum value of that subarray. Return the largest sum of the given array after partitioning. Test cases are generated so that the answer fits in a 32-bit integer. I think I can do this, but I'm not sure yet. 1916, not a fun time. What was that, World War I? Not a fun time during World War I. Is this like take it or leave it? But I don't know how to set the states up. I'm thinking take it or leave it somehow, like either you cut or you keep growing. And then somehow we need to remember the maximum number and the length of the last cut. So let me try and think about the states. In Rosis, as a Frenchman knows. Wait, what happened in 1916, man? In French history. German Zeppelins for the first time. Is that it? Or what else? Battle of Verdun? What is that? The Great War. Yeah, that's where we're at right now. What is this? Dang. The longest WW1 battle. I don't know much about World War One, man. The only thing I know about World War One is, man, I'm trying to remember. There's a World War One movie. 1917, yeah, this dang movie. The only thing I know about World War One is one time me and B. Becca went to go watch 1917 when it first came out. We're like, oh yeah, this shit's gonna be sick. And it was the most boring movie of all time. I think I might have fell asleep in this movie. Or something. I thought it was like hyped up. Everyone was like, man, this movie is gonna be sick. And it was not that sick. Let me see. 1917 IMDb. Let me see if my my opinion is shared on the internet. Dang, it's a 8.2? Nah, these people don't know what they're talking about, man. 8.2, get that shit out of here, man. That's no 8.2. Yeah, that shit was kind of boring. You like that movie, Robodom? Obes likes that movie too. Obes, are you streaming, man? I saw you stream a couple times, but have I seen you stream in a while? What's up? No longer taking Simon's opinions on movies seriously? Nah. Come on now. I'll rate any movie that I've watched. Let me know and I'll throw a rating out there. But anyways, let me think about this problem. We can't be joking around too much. Man, you guys liked 1917? Anyways. 84. How do I do this? Cut. So I need 3 segments. So I need like the start of the So I'm thinking take it or leave it, right? But what do I need to know? I need to know like my previous, my current I, man. Then maybe like my max index or something. Mess with the FDA? What are you talking about, Strike On, bro? 500 elements in the array. Castle Bear, what's happening? Welcome to the party. So, oh, we also need K. 1917 was edited as one shot. Yeah, that's like the only cool thing about the movie. But I thought it was boring. Even with the one shot thing, like I'm not there to watch one shot, you know. I'm just there to be entertained for the movie. Wait, hold on. 19, was it? Oh yeah, 1917 was boring, I think. But also, there's another war movie. I was thinking about Dunkirk. Dunkirk was also boring that I thought was going to be good. Dune 2. Dune 2 is like I haven't seen it, but I want to see it. But it's like one of the highest rated movies of all time, man. Well, 8.8. I wouldn't say of all time, but that's pretty high. Maybe I'll watch it soon. Dune 2 is really good. Just Backs, what's happening? Oh, man, I don't remember. Did I say hello, Kettle Bear? What's happening? Steven Sagiball, how are you doing? No, I'm trolling. What do you mean? Are you a fan of Dunkirk also, Bet Simp? You gotta tell me. If you like Dunkirk and you like 1917, I have to say, you like boring ass World War movies, man. That's crazy. Let me see what Dunkirk is rated. 7.8. Nah. I'd give this movie a 6.1. My eyes twitching. What do you think is bad practice variable? Oh wait, I have to name the thing. Hold on, I gotta give this dang thing some thoughts. Oops. I don't even know what that says. Saving Private Ryan. 9.5 out of 10, man. Saving Private Ryan was a really great movie. That's for sure. Perhaps my boredom tolerance is very high. I'd say you're onto something, Bet Simp. Saving Private Ryan, extremely good. Black Hawk Down, extremely good. Band of Brothers, greatest of all time. The Pacific, pretty good, but not as good as Band of Brothers. Which other war movies are there, man? Nothing new on the Western Front. I've been wanting to watch this, but it looks kind of scary, man. I don't like scary movies. American Sniper, I don't remember it. So I'd say maybe like... I know I watched it. I think I watched it on an airplane. But maybe it was okay. Maybe like a solid 6 point something to low sevens, upper sixes to low sevens. Hacksaw Ridge. Hacksaw Ridge was an interesting take. I thought it was good, man. Even though it wasn't like super realistic or anything, I thought the story was great. The action was there. It might not have been real, but I enjoyed Hacksaw Ridge. 10 out of 10, maybe like 8 out of 10. Masters of the Air. I haven't seen it yet, but I want to see it. But I don't want to pay for Apple TV until like the whole thing is over. Then maybe I'll just binge watch for a month. Have you seen Children of Men? I've seen that movie. I'd say that one was a good thought-provoking movie. At least 8 out of 10 I'd give Children of Men. Let me see, which other war movies are there though? I guess one of my favorite war movies, I don't even remember the name. Platoon? Top Gun? Top Gun ain't a real war movie. Is it Platoon? It must be Platoon. I watch Platoon all the time, I think. Lone Survivor, haven't seen it. Beast with No Nation, haven't seen it. Anyways, I don't know what y'all talking about, man. Talking about The Pianist. That's a sad movie. I haven't seen it. But I think I try and watch every war movie out there, or every movie with like medieval fighting and stuff. Anyways, I gotta think about this problem instead of thinking about war movies. take it, and then we need to give the sum of the maximum of the whole array. Add it. All right, I can do this. I can do this. I just need to figure out the states. So previous. Oh, no, no, no. Maybe length, because previous could go up to. Oh, wait. I guess previous and length is like the same thing. In some ways. I'm trying to think. So that's like 500 times 500. And then K is another 500. Like, do we need this extra state though? The maximum index that we've seen thus far? Or is this kind of baked in to like these two things? I'm not sure. Did you build your PC? Yeah, I've been building PCs since 1995, man. Or sometime like that. Could just switch to just chatting. We could talk more about war movies. Nah, I don't know. I don't know about that. I gotta train. Using sliding window with case size. I don't think so, because I don't think it's a sliding window, because how do you know when to stop growing it? And then, because we have to make multiple partitions, it's not just one sliding. They're not asking what is the maximum subarray that you can make. They're asking like to partition their whole array. I was barely born in 1995. When is LeetCode mobile coming? Man, when I first started training LeetCode, I used to do them on my phone. I'm not gonna lie. I used to stay in bed and LeetCode on my phone. 25. What's that? 25. Is that too much? Wait, 500. Let me just. 125 million, man. I can't figure out these states, but I feel like I should be able to figure this out if I give it all my brain juice. Let me think. Do we need... What are some techniques I could use that I've seen before? Adoos Madoos, welcome to the party, man. How are you doing? Isn't this equal to finding the largest K values and make sure they're not in the same subarray? I'm not sure, actually. Awful Waffle, thank you very much for the follow. I'm convinced it's a take it or leave it DP problem, but I just can't figure out some states that will work, or like how to manipulate the states so that it gets under the good time complexity. Kettle Bear, thank you very much for the Prime subscription. Here we go. All right, where you at, man? Look at that. 3 stars. Thank you very much. They made the Prime button difficult to find? Dang. You're a genius? I don't know about that, man. Ain't me. Alright, so Spooky, please come back. We all miss you, Bible Thump. Oh, wait, there's no ants. Oh, change array. Hold on. I gotta figure out these states. So as I'm iterating through, I need to keep track of my index. So I feel like index should be in my states. And then we need to keep track of a maximum index that we've seen thus far. Right? Otherwise, how are we gonna know? Yeah, how are we gonna know? Do you prefer C++ over Python? Yeah, I don't really know Python. So I need the length also, man. Alright, maybe I'll just implement and see. So I need index at 500. I need my length, which is up to 500. But it's actually like I over k or something is the length. No, k is the length. So that's up to k. Anyways, man, here we go. I gotta put something up on the board. Index. Length. Max. And K. Do you prefer C++ over Swift? I don't know Swift either. Not largest k, but largest k over n values. Is it always the case though? K over n values. That interesting idea. Because will that always work? I guess wherever the largest things are, we could just cover the whole area. With those partitions. But how do you know if it's the correct partition? Not sure. Problem description spits out DP. Anyways. Just pick the largest less than K partition. K is the maximum size of a partition. No, it's like, oh, at most length. Oh man, I thought it was like, I also thought it was like K partitions. Hold on, man. I don't know how to solve this problem. I wonder which list this is on. Zero track that I can't do. That's the dang list it is on. Man, this problem is too hard. Too hard for me. Tech Tony 69 in the house. What's happening, man? I seen your stream yesterday. Very nice, very nice. I'm very excited to see what you bring to this community, man. You can't be saying things like that, man. I'm just trying to study my LeetCode. So there's, yeah, Tech Tony 69. There is already like a pretty nice community on Twitch. There's a lot of streamers doing LeetCode, and we're all interconnected. If you'd like, try to like enumerate everyone. So currently, I think in Rosis, Real Raymond Jones, Pat's Hello World, BetSimp, Lead Coach, Chi Impact are like the currently active streamers for LeetCode, but sometimes we get other people pop in and stuff. Oh, Brent Arata also. Had no idea this community existed. Oh yeah, it's super awesome. Like, it will keep you accountable. I know you said you're trying to do LeetCode every single day, so you'll have people in your chat every single day. How long have I been streaming? I've been streaming since June 2021. Time to delete a reek. Yeah, maybe time to put him down to like the inactives. Pour one out for those we don't see anymore. Yeah, there's a lot of people who, oh, Stephen Code Stuff might be back. Maybe I can bump him back up. I haven't seen Tech Savvy Trav in a long time, or Q. Brent Arata can be bumped back up. All right, I'm gonna do it after the stream though. Man, I wonder if we'll see Foamy again soon. It's been a while. Or Not Gentle. I think I saw Griffin Beals recently, but never came back. Can you click on my name? Check the follow age. October 7th, 2021. Almost my whole career you've been following me. Yeah, maybe I'm gonna give up on this problem because I can't think of how to do it. The sum has to be at most so maybe, all right, maybe I just go, I might just look at the answer in a bit, even though I don't like to do that. Almost 1 year anniversary. Dang, BetSimp, you've only been around for a year? That is insane, man. I thought you've been here longer than that. What did BetSimp do to get VIP? He streams. I try to give all the consistent LeetCode streamers VIP up in here. You greedily pick the largest numbers and select the largest partition that contains it until it runs out of numbers. I won't stream. Can I get VIP somehow else? Yeah, if you do something to contribute to the community in a major way, I also give VIP for that. There are no strict criterias. I think whenever you do it, we'll know. Like Smart Coder has VIP. Smart Coder has created a Discord and he's like super active in the community. He's always in new streams, trying to get them involved in the community, let them know what's up. Brett has VIP because he just helped me so much. I knew it was Don't Defense asking it without even watching the stream. Oh man. Boolean Cube, what is Algo Junkies? Algo Junkies are people who've gifted subs or just supported the channel. Hold on, this question is actually hard, man. Greedily pick out the largest numbers and select the partition that contains it. Just joined late, but sounds like chat wants VIP so bad. Yeah, some people want VIP up in here, man. But VIP is an earned privilege. Out here, at least. I'm going to look at a hint. DPI will be the answer for 0 to I minus 1. Let me think about that. Your DP solution also works. Arik in the house. Arik, people are saying that we should remove your VIP badge and take you off the website. What do you have to say about that, Arik? When are you coming back to LeetCode? When are you going to turn your stream on again, man? You're about to get demoted out here. I didn't say that. Somebody said that. Hold on. How many VIPs in chat now? I don't know how many are in the chat right now, but there are enough. Boolean Cub 3 or Boolean Cube from YouTube. Thank you very much for the Prime subscription. Thank you so much, my friend. Man, today the problems have been kicking my ass. I'm not gonna lie. I don't feel very productive in my training today, but it's all good. Newest Algo Junkie, Boolean Cube. Alright, we only got like 40 minutes left. I'm VIP, Mad Flash, what's poppin'? Okay. So DPI is the maximum of that, right? So here it would be 1, here it would be 30. Here it would be 30. I don't know. Let me hit 2. For j equal 1 to k, that keeps everything in bounds. DPI is the maximum. All right, this is basically a super powerful hint. All right, I think I understand this, but this is telling me like bottom up DP. Anyways, just woke up, got a shower, man. Just woke up. Two W23. What's happening? Welcome to the party. That's a nice keyboard. Thank you very much. Tech Tony 69. Your setup is pretty good too, but thank you very much. All right, man. I've spent too much time thinking about this problem, and we got some weird things going on here with variable names. Always end the stream at midnight. I guess so, midnight Eastern time. So they're saying I should iterate through the whole thing and then iterate like I plus j less than n. And they're saying I gotta create my DP thing. Size n, fill it with zeros, and the maximum of I minus j plus the max I minus j. So they're saying dpi is the max of dpi and I minus j. What is I minus? Can I even? Let me think. Clearly, something ain't super right here. I think I see what they're saying, man. I just need to figure out how to set it up. What's the alternatives to saying Eastern time? What do you mean? Like Pacific time? You know, I used to live in California, so I didn't always end at midnight. For me, I used to end at 9 p.m. Pacific time. But these days, I end at midnight Eastern time. So dpi plus j. You're still able to get a decent amount of sleep on your streaming days. I try and go to sleep before 2 a.m. And I gotta wake up around 8:30. I don't think it's enough sleep though. I gotta think about this DP problem, man. This is where the gains are made, when I'm just lost in the sauce. My sauce ain't that good right now. So DPI is the maximum up to that point, and then I'm having issues. One, because I don't know how to do bottom-up DP, and two, how do I do that inner fort? Is this like okay? Maybe I should start at 0. Because if I is 0, Anyways, I think I'm about to actually give up on this problem. So J is the length here that they're talking about. So we go from 0 and we try and cut everything. The problem, never give up. I'll try. The problem I'm having right now is like 0 plus 1 is dp. So dp 0 should just be, do I have to set that? Like dp 0 is just this. dpi minus j plus the maximum okay, I think my states are like weird because I'm thinking about them differently than how they've given me the hints. You can write your recursive solution, it was correct. Big time struggles with bottom up DP. So at index 0, none of these would work. Index the maximum of I minus 1. Anyways, I'm just joking around right now. Maybe I'm just not getting enough sleep these days. Why I can't solve these problems. Should I go back to recursive stuff? Man, look how many people solve this. 76%. Just trash today, man. Struggling. Big time struggling. Sleep is hella important, yeah. So I think my recursive is okay. So I have the int and then I need like a length. I need like a max. But that's too much. Their DP thing is only on index, and I'm adding so many different things here. So okay, maybe I have an idea here. Maybe I have an idea. So like if we're out of bounds, still working at sports betting projects. Wait, who you talking to, man? You ain't talking to me. Talking to Arik. Hydrate. Go Haku. Thank you very much. Cheers. Big time struggles. Maybe if I think of it like this, and then I do like I just can't wrap my head around this one. So at every index, and then I try and grow it by k. All right, I give up. I give up. That's it. I spent too long struggling. No. Oh, man, look how many struggles I've had with this problem. I've never looked at the answer. I guess this was just one time. They're almost cooking. All right, hold on, hold on. Maybe I'll go for a little bit longer. Too late to give up. Man, this was 2 years ago. I couldn't solve this problem. No, I still can't solve it, you know? Even after looking at the hints, it's like I can't even come up with something. I'm basically trying to translate this to top down. But so, all right, maybe I can be like, so we get some score here. I don't know how to calculate that yet. So it's gonna be like some score plus dp I plus j plus 1 maybe. This is kind of what I'm thinking. But all right, so how do we get the sum score? We also probably need to find, like, keep track of the maximum. Man, this dang thing is too long. I plus j. Man, should that be a 0? I plus j. Yeah, I think that should be a 0. So this is going to be the maximum element. And then the sum score is actually the max times j plus 1, because that's the length of the subarray, right? And that's our sum score, and then we just add it to there, and then we got a cache, right? So let me make a cache real quick. Fill it with negative ones of size n. Is that it? And then, like, if we've seen this index, then I can't pronounce that word. Delectable? Cache I? What are you talking about? Cache I. Oh. Come on, man. We've seen that. All right, semicolon, and then so after looking at the hints and thinking about it a lot, I think this is what I'm translating the hint into. Let's see. Cash me outside. Oh Lord, it doesn't work. And it doesn't work because because this goes out of bounds. So I plus j less than n. All right, man. I've used this technique before, but not that often. So like it's basically a take it or leave it with a for loop on the inside. Strong mental, man. I would have given up if it was just by myself. The only reason I didn't give up was because everybody kept telling me I'm cooking, you know? Let's look at the iterative. Hold on. Maybe now that I've put it into top down, I want to try to translate it into a bottom up solution. So I think the states that they gave me were super confusing because this is not how I usually do. I guess, you know, everyone does their DP states and caches differently. But I felt how they're doing it here is alien to me. But maybe this is like a standard way of doing it in bottom up, you know? Imposter syndrome. Lester Ab or Lester Cab. What's up? Good day. Looking like a savior. Thank you. I am trying to be LeetCode savior, maybe. Well cooked. Thank you, Sheko Maru. How you doing? Top down solution. Let me see what you got. Man, that problem took a long time for me. Man, I don't know what this is. What language is this, man? It looks... What the hell? Kotlin? What the hell? People coding this thing? I've never seen that language in my whole life. I mean, I've seen the name, but I've never actually seen the language, you know? Codams, thank you very much for the follow. My first time witnessing Kotlin. It looks like, I guess it's Java, right? What's the difference between Kotlin and Java? This is me every time I read code. What the hell is this? Yeah. I still think of the orange guy from Despicable Me whenever someone brings up Vector. I've never seen Despicable Me. Looks like Kotlin. Haven't you participated in a Code Forces Kotlin Heroes? I've never even done a Code Forces, man. Java is trash now. You can't be talking about somebody's solution like that, man. Shekumaru about to come over there and whip that ass, man. You be talking that trash. Kiwi Fruitbird, thank you very much for the follow. Anyways. Wait, that Java trash? Wait, Kotlin is like Java, right? Wait, maybe I don't know. I thought Kotlin and Java were like similar. Java is the enemy of Kotlin. Maybe I don't know my languages like that. I don't know anything about Java. I don't know anything about Kotlin. But anytime I hear Java, somebody always talking about Kotlin. All right. Should we try to... How many problems do you have on my do later list? We should just clean it all up. Only code in C++? Yeah, right now I'm basically just C++. They're both used for Android development. Java is the old one, Kotlin is the new one. I see. I don't know anything about Android development either. Even though I made an Android app a long time ago in Java. Peter used Java for a majority of his career. If it's good enough for him, it's good enough for me. Man, one of my old teammates said he used to work with Peter on like in meetings, because I think Peter works at Google. I don't know if he's still here. But one of my old teammates says, I guess they used to do code jam stuff together, or like he was a 20%er for code jam, and Peter also did some things for that. This one is cleaner. What is this one? Oh, this, man. This is the iterative bottom up. So you go through I. You got to check both bounds. Like, yeah, this is where it was like kind of confusing for me, because wait, I minus j plus 1 greater than equal to 0, because we're going back, but I'm always thinking about going forward because I always do top down. So like going backwards just kind of trips me up, man. I gotta get used to bottom up DP though if I'm supposed to be into competitive programming. Work at Google, I do for now. We'll see how long I can last, man. Let our boy Peter refer us all, man. I could refer you all. What you talking about? You fix the last subarray taken and optimize what is to the left. Yeah, I think I can visualize the bottom up DP, but I guess because I haven't implemented that much bottom up DP, it's like it was tough to implement. But when I switch to top down, like I think I could flow a lot more in top down. I'd like to get away from top down DP, because the bottom up is always like 4 lines, and then the top down feels, I mean, it's like the same thing, I guess. But sometimes the top down TLEs, and it's just not fast enough. Very rarely it happens, but sometimes it does, where bottom up seems to like always pass. I also struggle with bottom up, yeah. Refer us all then. I'll send you my resume. Man, I've referred some people from chat. Some people from chat have also gotten in with the referral, but I'm not going to say who or anything. But this is something that is real. Iterative is almost always faster to code, since it usually is shorter. Yeah, almost faster to code, and it also has better runtime. Are there cases where top down is faster? I don't know, man. I think maybe in like 2D matrices, DP problems, when you have to go up, down, left, right, I think top down maybe faster to code, but I don't know about faster runtime. It was no condom, Chris? Nah, man. Well, I can't confirm nor deny. Group resume review and refer the worthy. That would be interesting. I might get my ass fired for doing that though. What's your eligibility criteria for a referral? I'd say if you're a regular on the stream and you are pretty decent, like either at least a night or around a night, I'd say. And I think if you've just been a part of this community for some time, and I think you have a shot of actually passing, and you're like a positive influence in the community, then yeah, I think that's all I'm looking for, you know. You should do like a competition, next LeetCode contest, highest score gets the referral. No, I can't be like giving out referrals like that, man. I'm not gonna say I'm trying to like make people submit resumes for me. I don't want to be a pipeline officially. I gotta do that on the down low, man. Oh no, so not me? Icy Black Deep. Why you saying not you, man? I would for sure refer Icy Black Deep, even though He doesn't take LeetCode contests. Make the requirement to have a higher rating than me? Nah, I'm trying to get paid, man. I get like, I think it's like $4,000 if somebody gets hired. Gotta hit Night real quick. Pixel Pusher. Aren't you on Night already? Or what? Do you work with mobile devs? Nah, I don't. I work in like infrastructure. Got hit with a 1-minute ad. What did I say, man? I said a lot of junk. Don't remember. My bad on the ads. But what did I say? My criteria? Yeah, you just have to be decent. You have to be a positive influence on this community. And yeah, maybe at least a LeetCode night or around a night, you know. Are you in Mountain View? I am not in Mountain View. I used to be in Oakland, Tech Tony. I used to work out of the Sunnyvale office. And then California is not for me, man. I don't think I like California very much. So I was like, I'm trying to get out of here. So I had an opportunity to transfer to a team in New York, and a team that was already like, it was a sister team for us. So it was like a seamless transition into a better city, I'd say. When I come back to Google, will you refer me? BetSimp, absolutely, man. You don't need no referral. But I'd take that money if you're trying to send it my way. I don't know, do referrals work with ex-Googlers? I don't know. They probably have some fine print that says they don't pay out if the person used to work there. They try and not pay out as much as possible, is what I feel. I passed the Google interview process once already. I have proof. I was denied because of visa issues. Yeah, I've heard this. I know a couple people who've passed and that's like weird issues, man. They won't even give me an interview because of the visa thing. I know Google is hiring in a lot of different countries right now that aren't America. I think they're hiring in the US, but not as much as, say, India, Brazil, Poland, maybe. Some places in Europe like that. I'm like, where's my referral, man? Nobody ever asked me. Close, but I gotta do more contests. Pixel Pusher, I really thought you were already a knight, man. Pat's Hello World. You better study hard, man. Pat, oh man, Pat, I forgot. I mean, are you streaming tonight, man? I know you had a big interview today, and I don't know if you're gonna stream soon. We can raid you. I want to hear all about it. Yeah, people love you, Pat. I watch your streams all the time. I'm always lurking in there. And I think you should keep on keeping on, man. But maybe also focus a little bit more sometimes. The real Raymond Jones, isn't it like way past your bedtime, man? What the hell? I was referred and applied once to Google, but they told me the position was already filled. Raxo Sabe. Are you trying to live in Brazil, man? Because I know for sure we're looking for people in Brazil. I don't know if not my team directly, but my org for sure. Do you shout out Enrosis for hitting knights? Oh, snap. Enrosis. Let me check out your profile, Enrosis. Do you get that badge? Let's look at Enrosis. Dang, look at all that green. Look at that lovely badge, knight badge. Boom. Look at that hard work. 296 active days. That is crazy. Been studying since this 2019. Man, me and Enrosis, me and you started studying the same time. Except 2020 I was actually studying. I don't know what you're doing in 2020. 2021 I was also studying. I don't know what you're doing in 2021, man. 2022, that's when you turned it on, and you've been steady since then, super consistent. I think that's how it goes for a lot of people, man. You don't just learn about LeetCode and then you start immediately. You learn about LeetCode, and then it takes some time for you to realize that I should be LeetCoding every single day. It took me like at least a year and a half from the moment I realized all you had to do was LeetCode to when I actually started LeetCoding. It took me a year and a half, man. And then even after that year and a half, like, it took me some time to develop my consistency. Chat can be degen in Pat's chat. Yeah, I see, man. It's all of you people. You leave this stream well behaved, and then you go to Pat's chat and you start misbehaving. And I shouldn't say misbehaving. I should say you start letting loose. Everybody out there goes to Pat's stream and like, it's like, it's like here you're at work, and then Pat's stream, it's like you go hang out at the bar after work, and it's definitely not safe for work out in Pat's stream. Wait, I'm right? What am I right? I'm Brazilian? Man, Google is hiring in Brazil right now. You should apply. If you're in Brazil, you should apply. I was planning on returning for a half year or a year to Peru, and then check out for PhDs. Raxo, PhDs. I wouldn't expect anything less because you're into the algos. Do you know more about what kind of people are they looking for in Brazil? What are they hiring for? Is it Google Ads? I think I can only speak for my org. My org is Google Core, and where we do a lot of infrastructure stuff. A lot of our products support the rest of Google, and I'm pretty sure we're hiring for many different roles, probably C++ infrastructure stuff. 1.3% more until 999 club. Who's in that club? Yeah, man, Enrosis deserves a lot referrals. Anybody who wants to give Enrosis a referral, Enrosis is a great candidate for a referral. And he make money. I'd like to see more referrals being given out between this community. Like, we got Real Raymond Jones looking for a job. We got Enrosis looking for a job. We got Pat's Hello World. And I know a lot of you people out there got jobs right now, and you can refer other people in this community, and you can get paid, man. You get paid for referrals. You help someone else in the community out. It's a win-win. Absent due to COVID. Drop some names. Man, I'm so behind right now. I ain't dropping no names. Going to send to detention? Brett, there's no detention out here. Any VIPs in Pat's stream? Man, it's lots of VIPs. PhDs. Pat went live. Yeah, Pat's ready for this raid. We're all gonna find out about what Pat's been up to today. I think he had a really important interview, and we're gonna get entertained in just a bit, man. I think that's where we're going. What keyboard is that? Loophole Lou. It is a Bubble 75 with Aqua Kings. I'm looking for something too. I just failed an onsite. Low Road Sim Racing, also looking for a referral. So, I don't know. If anybody is in my Discord who works at a company that you can give a referral to that company, and you get some type of incentive, and you want to like offer these referrals, maybe you can make a post somewhere and people can reach out to you to see if they're worthy of your referral. Rich guy? I'm not rich, man. Anyways, kind of hungry. From Aquaman himself, yeah. I really like these switches. They're linear switches. I used to hate linear switches, but now they're not so bad. Wingstop, man. I had Wingstop. Man, I had Wingstop over the weekend and I feel ashamed. Lemon pepper time, and I don't know if I should blow this up, man. But somebody gave me a DoorDash gift card. Somebody from this community gave me a DoorDash gift card. I'm not gonna say the name because I don't want to dox anybody. But man, I'm about to use that DoorDash gift card to buy a lot of Wingstop. I'm very grateful. If that somebody is watching, thank you very much for that gift card, man. That was me in Rosis. You think that was you? I don't think so. But I can confirm nor deny. Even though I just denied it, man. It ain't in Rosis. Be careful with that cholesterol. Yeah, how much cholesterol in a Wingstop? Cholesterol. One chicken wing. In one chicken wing. Is 27 milligrams good? Or bad? I don't even know. Sounds like a little bit to me, man. Anyways, I think I'm ready to get out of here. Not bad. Where's Pat, man? We got Pat's Hello World. We got Brent Arato. You know, we got to hit Pat because he had a big day today. All right, I got to get going. Thank you, everyone, for tuning in today. I think I struggled with the problems, but made some progress. I think I solved some problems that I've never been able to solve before, so that's good. See Game Changers on Netflix and turn vegan. Man, I tried some Beyond Meat meatballs a couple months ago, and I was blown away, man. I was blown away by how tasty those dang things were. Arato face reveal? Nah. You crazy. For real? You tricking me, man. It ain't there. It ain't there. It's gone now. Past. All right, we gotta go raid. Sometimes I have difficulties deciding who to raid because I want to raid everybody, but we raid Pat all the time. But Pat has like a big day. Let's go raid Pat. Struggling equal learning. Asia C Mac. You are absolutely right, man. When you're struggling, that's when you make the most gains. That's what I've heard. Let's do some push-ups. Maybe I should, man. Low Road Sim Racing. Thank you very much for tuning in. Have a good night. See you later, everybody. My new goal is to get nights and earn that referral using only Wingstop for par. Man, that's how I made it tonight. No Condom Chris. Have a good night. I can do the whole 30-minute workout. Yeah, should I get adopted by Sean T since Pat's Hello World has abandoned Sean T? Should Sean T become my trainer instead of Pat's trainer? Asia C Mac. Adios. Thank you for tuning in. Raxo Sabe. See you later. I am DHA0706. Adios. Thank you for tuning in. Pixel Pusher. Have a good night. Tomo Mami. See you later. Go Haku. Adios. Loophole Lou. Adios, amigo. Tech Tony 69. If you're still around, I should have shouted you out, but y'all already know. Tech Tony 69. Go follow him. Everybody else, Franco Demise. Have a good night. See you later, YouTube. I forgot about you already.